All right, so this week we're looking at seeds. And yesterday you talked about what your seeds look like. You noticed, I'm sure, when you were investigating them that there are some super tiny seeds. There are some larger seeds. Like here's some are different colors. Like this is a sunflower seed. There's some that they're rough and bumpy. They're like a pea seed. And there's some teeny, teeny, tiny ones. I don't know if I can show them to you. They're so tiny. These long grain seeds are rye seeds. And then you, of course, have these little dotted seeds, which are alfalfa seeds or grass seeds. So, and then in the second cup, you have some lima bean seeds, as I poured seeds all over me. Some lima bean seeds. So what we're going to do, scoop these seeds up, pour it on me. We are going to plant some seeds. We're going to plant some different seeds. So you're going to need your seed cups, your spoon, your paper towel, your little baggie they came in. You're going to need both of the cups and your soil. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take these lima bean seeds out of your first cup because they're not going to go in a cup. These little green lima beans. You're going to put them to the side, and you're going to take the cup they were in, and you're going to put some dirt. Use your spoon to put some dirt in it. It doesn't have to have a lot of dirt. Just a little bit of dirt in your cup, kind of like this. All right. You're going to use your finger, and you're going to poke a few holes in the soil of your cup. And you're going to take one pea seed and plant it in your dirt. Some of these long rye seeds, and plant them in your dirt. Then you're going to take on the other side some of these sunflower seeds and then stick them in your dirt. All right. So once you do that, you're going to want to put a little bit of water, not a lot, just enough to moisten it. You don't want it to be soaked in water. You just want it to be moistened. And you're going to want to put this cup in the sunlight. It has water, soil, sunlight in a window somewhere so it can sit and grow. So that's one cup that you're going to do. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this paper towel that you got. You're going to tear it, or you're probably going to need some scissors. It's going to tear it, but I don't have Hulk muscles. You're going to cut it. You have two long pieces like this. And in one of the pieces, you're going to fold it up. And you're going to place your lima bean seeds in here. Wish I could show. Let me do this so you can see it. Place your lima bean seeds just like this. You're going to want to fold them up in the middle. And then you're going to want to dampen this. You might want to do it before. So why don't you do this? Take this to the sink really fast. Put some water on it. Make sure it's not dripping wet. You don't want it dripping wet. You want it kind of wet, damp. So you might have to wring it out like this to get all the most of the water out. Then you're going to, in your damp paper towel, put your lima bean seeds in the middle. You're going to close it up. And you're going to stick this with your lima bean seeds in your baggie. And you're going to want to put this in the window. So you're going to have the sun, the water, and your lima bean seeds in there. You're going to keep a check on these seeds. And then the last thing you do, you have another strip of pink paper. You're going to moisten it as well. You're going to moisten it as well. You're going to want to put this somewhere where you don't have to move it a lot, where it's not in the way. You're going to take some of this rye and alfalfa seed like this. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put it in the middle, but you're not going to stick it in your bag. So this is just going to have some water in it. I'm going to put some more of these little alfalfa seeds. You're going to put it in here. We're going to see if we can't grow some seeds with just water, no sunlight. So in this one, so you have the 3 different ones. This one, we're putting all the ingredients: soil, water, sunlight. This is going to go in the window. And this one that your lima bean's in, you don't have soil, you're going to have water and sunlight. And then this one, you're going to have no sunlight and water. So you have 3 different types of seeds. Now, you have some extra seeds. There were plenty in there. You're going to have some extra. If you want to take these and you want to plant them and see how they grow, if you have some extra soil, you can use this second cup to plant them as well. Or you can just throw them away, whichever ones you want to do. You just need the 3 cups. You need your paper towel that's wet. You're going to want to put this seed on a flat surface out of the sunlight to see if it will grow. You're going to need this cup, put it in the sunlight with water to see if it will grow. And then your baggie, a lot of times I take some tape and I tape it to my window, and so that this is wet, it has water. This is taped to the window, and we're going to see if that grows. So the question for today's lesson is, will seeds grow if they don't have all they need? So, all right, we already talked about some things we know seeds need. Seeds need water, soil, and sunlight to grow. But do you think a seed can grow without those things? And so this week we're going to watch our experiment to see if any of these plants grow and which grows the best. So will it grow? Will the seeds grow with just the water and no sunlight and soil? Would the seeds grow with sunlight and water with no soil? And would the seeds grow with all 3 of those? So which one do you think will grow the best? It's probably going to be the one with soil, sunlight, and water because it has everything it needs, but you might be shocked at some of the other ones. So we're going to watch those this week. We'll talk about them in our groups, put them somewhere safe so they don't get messed up, but Miss Mitchell will take some pictures of hers while they're growing so we can kind of track them too. So you're going to need to watch and monitor the seeds that we're growing in the room as well. All right, y'all have fun planting your seeds.